old, wondering once again, back to the season of my youth. I recall some race somewhere I could fade, and have my mama put the race to use. There were rags of many colors, every piece was small, and I didn't care. And it was when the fall, mama sewed the rags together, sewn every piece so long, she made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me had a lovely red and white and painted lights for me. Oh, going it's no money, I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. It's an old story from the Bible she had read, about the coat of many colors Joseph wore, that pretty, that would bring you good luck, happiness, just the way that we would pray. Just could wait to wear it, mama bless the day for you.